In the modern world, change is constant, but certain things remain constant. Here's the reality. Every man should be capable of handling himself, regardless of the situation. And there are essential skills every man must master, regardless of the era we live in. Some viewers might label this video as promoting toxic masculinity. It's a reaction we understand. Given the prevalence of weak men in today's society, these men have been indoctrinated to believe in the sameness of men and women. In this video, we'll discuss 6 life skills every man should master. Number 1. Proficiency in self-defense. Whether you're a businessman, doctor, or comedian, lacking basic fighting skills equates to a deficiency in masculinity. While engaging in fights or brawls should be avoided, basic fighting skills are invaluable. Consider this scenario. You're walking down the street with your wife, and someone slaps her on the butt. What would you do? Ignoring it would cost you both respect and self-respect. No one should assault your loved ones without consequences. Ignoring such situations forfeits your honor and protector role. Remember, never start a fight unless unavoidable. But if you find yourself in a situation where self-defense is necessary, it's essential to know how to fight effectively. Number 2. Conflict resolution. This skill complements self-defense. Even if you're proficient in fighting, diplomacy and persuasion should always be your first approach in diffusing escalating situations. The ability to calm tempers or break up fights is a mark of leadership. This skill can only be mastered by those who can also be dangerous, hence its close connection to self-defense. Number 3. Commanding presence. Ever noticed how some men exude authority without uttering a word? It's not a magical gift, but a learnable skill. This presence is an accumulation of habits and behaviors, such as a firm handshake, maintaining eye contact, and walking with confidence. Charisma is cultivated through observing and learning from real men, rather than imitating. Number 4. Critical thinking. This skill involves considering multiple perspectives, questioning assumptions, and being open to new information. Don't believe everything you're told or everything you think you know. Challenge your beliefs and biases to gain new insights. Number 5. Financial literacy. Many go through life with no understanding of money management, financial decisions, or achieving financial freedom. Start learning about money early on, as it's a crucial life skill. Number 6. Stress management. How you handle stress directly impacts your success in life. Learn to stay rational and proactive during challenging times by avoiding procrastination and adopting a proactive mindset. Both men and women should strive for strength, but men face greater expectations and must handle pressure without complaint. This channel aims to help men become strong in all aspects of life. If you want to level up, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.